Good afternoon, beloved. This is Pastor Nelson with Beloved Community Church. I just wanted to share very quickly a couple of thoughts about the Supreme Court decision that has just happened regarding affirmative action, and to talk about why lament is important. Surely by now you've seen information about the decision. The Supreme Court is going in the face of precedent, of decades of precedent that have tried to make opportunities more equal for Black people and other underrepresented people. And the Supreme Court has said that race can no longer be considered in admissions policies in colleges and universities. And that's its own thing. It's its own heartbreaking tragedy. And we won't know the implications of this for years, if not decades to come. But what I want to talk about, beloved, is the reactions that people have been issuing. Part of it is because we live in a culture where we feel compelled to react immediately to what's happening, and we don't always know how it is that we really feel about it when we're reacting. And so people are posting and looking for bright sides or sunny sides or positive things that can come out of this devastating ruling. And it's the same sentiment, it's the same mindset, it's the same attitude that causes people in the wake of tragedy to tell others to look on the bright side, that God must have a plan for it, while somebody still hasn't been able to feel or recognize or realize the full weight of the loss or the grief they have. And beloved, I know this is a challenge because I'm somebody who trades in hope. Hope is my profession. I'm called to be a messenger and an ambassador of hope. But beloved, when we move to hope too quick, it becomes dangerous. It becomes unhelpful. It really slows down our ability to spiritually grow rather than to speed it up, which is why we need to understand how and when and why to lament. Sometimes the most faithful thing we can do is not try to figure out where God is in the midst of it right now. Sometimes it's just to talk about the pain we feel, to complain about what it is that we are carrying, even if it's not beautiful and articulate, even if it's ugly. We've got to talk about the pain. And when we don't talk about the pain, it stops us from actually feeling real hope. Instead, we pretend hope, we fake hope, we feign hope, or others tell us that we should feel hope that we can't feel. Lament is important because it allows us to ultimately have an opportunity where we can experience real hope, but we can't get there if we don't go through the way of lament. Join us this Sunday at Beloved Community Church, because we are going to talk about what lament is and why it's necessary and how we can do it. We hope to see you there on North Bend Road, on the corner of North Bend and Coleraine and Mount Airy. If you can't make it to the house, join us at belovedcommunitychurch.com/Sunday. We're going to talk about lament and how we let it out. God bless you.